Hello everyone, welcome to this new tutorial on KYART TUTOS, and today we are going to talk about this wonderful tool. This AI by Blockade Labs is called Skybox AI, where we can create infinity world 360 degrees. You can take a look. This is a company website that offers us this tool for free. It's totally free. We don't need to register or logging in. It's just free. So we are here in the website. You can see we can move the camera and see around it the image that some users already create. It's really nice. It's really simple to use. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and comment if you have any question about it. So we're gonna take a look at it. It'll be about. And the description of the tool is create a virtual space in seconds. You can create a virtual space in seconds. Just type a prompt, and they have different setups that you can choose, different styles that you can choose for create it. So we can find here the community they have right now. The community is growing. This tool is still developed, guys. This tool is still developed. So right now I think the version 0.4, but they still developed. The company still working on it. So we have some examples. Some users already create, so we can see what they offer us. So let's just dive into it. So we're gonna go to try Skybox AI. So right now here it shows us the new updates. So what's new about Block Labs right now? Beta 0.4 right now. This is the version that currently we have. And so in here they explain us, they make a short explanation of how to use it, but it's pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. So we have here the tool is very simple. Right here we can type the prompt. I think you can type it. When you click right there, it will show you that right now we have a new sketch tool. So before it doesn't have it. Before you just type the prompt and then generate it, but now they offer us this like a sketch feature. So you can just sketch wherever you want. You don't need to be really precise about the sketches. You don't have to be a professional artist. Just make some strokes, lines, some shapes, and that's all. And we have different options right here. From here, if we want to move, is with H. You just type H and you can move. We had the brush with B, and we had the erasers with E. It's pretty simple. This is the size of the brush. If you draw something, for example, let me draw something right here like that. If you want to erase everything, just click right here and it will erase it. And then go back on them. And then we have the guys. We had the sphere grid. We had the cube grip. You can see H for move the camera. And then we had the keep image. So you can put the background view skybox image, and then you can make a sketch following some image behind. Or it's depend up to you guys, whatever you want. We can put here the floor, the plane grid, you can see. And then for example, I want to draw something, I want to create something, I want to make a prompt, but even I want to specify to the tool what I want exactly, where I want the things to go to be set up. Like for example, I can draw here like that, and I'm going to put something here. I'm going to make just some changes on a sketch, something pretty simple. Don't need to be so precise about it. You don't have to have like a really high skills. It's just a sketch. Something right here. We can draw right here. And then let me find something maybe here. We're gonna put a circle. Just let your imagination fly away and draw whatever you want. So let me here. Okay, something here. Okay guys, this is just an example. It's nothing serious. So right here we had some options: create new, remix this, add to this. This one already at the moment is no available, say coming soon. And then we had the preset. We had digital painting, realistic, anime art style. You can check it out. I will let the website in the description of the video. So for example, right here, let me remap your word. Let me type something. For example, let's put cyberpunk city. We're gonna try like this: digital painting. Let's go to anime art style, fantasy lines. Let's try fantasy lines like that, and then we're gonna generate. It will take a little while because a lot of users are using the tool, so sometimes it's faster, sometimes it's slower. It depends also on your internet connection. Now look what we got here. We have the cyberpunk city in the fantasy land. So anyways, if you want to change something, look, when we move the camera and go down here, we can see the sketch that we did, and how the tool or the AI follow our sketch, the shape that we draw. You can see, really nice. We can take a look. We can zoom in, zoom out, and then we had a bunch of styles that we can change. Like for example, let me see, Fantasyland. This is Fantasyland. We can try, let me see, surreal style, and then just generate. Now look, this is the result with a surreal style. So you can change it, and you will have different options and different new images. It's dependent of the, for example, look, the sketch that you did and the prompt. You can see, so it's really nice. Now, for example, if you want to use it as a HDRI, you can just download it, and it will download it. Normally, you can open it, and you can see it's like a HDRI. It's a 360-degree image. So you can, if you want to add something or you want to change something, you can use Photoshop or any software to edit image. So in that way, you can design whatever you want and use it in the way that you want. So for example, let me see, and we can change different low poly, for example, the low poly, and when we're gonna generate. So look, this is the result. You can use this for game level or anything. You can see it's pretty nice, pretty good. Now if you want to continue to sketch, you can continue to do it. Just take the brush and do new shapes, and when you generate it again, he will follow the shape. Or otherwise, if you want to erase everything, you know that you can just click here and clear all. And but basically the sketch that we are doing is the part that the AI will follow for create the things, and in that way it will know where to put the things or where to locate the images, the shapes that we want. So something like that. So let's change the prompt. Okay, we're gonna change the prompt for something more complex. One more thing that I forgot to tell you: every time you select a style, it will tell you the number of characters that you can use. For example, the low poly, we can use 460 characters. So let me see, for example, we're gonna use realistic, and then we're gonna change it here. Here is 360. Let me see, something like that. We're gonna use realistic, and we're gonna change the post-apocalyptic abandoned city street buildings ivy destroyed. So we're gonna generate it. So guys, now look what we got here. Is really nice. Look, the buildings, everything is really nice. You can, as I told you, you can have different results depending on the style that you choose. This can be used for a game. You can use this as a level for a game. Zombie game would be great, as you can see. And in that way we can continue change all the settings right here. You can for example, let me see, we're gonna change it to let me find, let's put cartoon and see what we're gonna have. But this one is really good. Look, the result is really good. Let's change to cartoon. Now look, you can get a nice result depending of the style and the prompt. And if you are following, if the AI is following a sketch, will be better, because you will, I mean, you will do what you want, and you don't gonna get a random result. So it's pretty nice. So let's make something more tropical. So we're gonna change this one. Okay, and then we're gonna go to, let me find, CG fill. I'm gonna generate this one. So now look at that, guys. You get a really nice result. Oh, really nice. So this is the new tool that I want to show you guys. I hope you can play around with it and try it. It's totally free. As I tell you before, we are in the 0.1, yeah, 0.41 version right now, so it will continue coming more updates. So that's all for today for the tutorial. I hope you like it. Please leave a like, subscribe, and let me know any question that you have in the comments. Okay, so see you and thank you very much.